or a gross soda challenge, or
It might be a nice soda challenge.
And anyway, my dad said some might be nice and some might be gross.
Well, we've got 12 bottles, soda bottles, drinks, whatever. And some of them might taste nice, Tiana.
Yeah.
Some of them might not taste very good at all. But Tiana's going to try and guess the flavours of these drinks.
All of them.
You're going to taste them all. There's 12 bottles, but you're going to be using your blindfold, aren't you, as well?
Yeah.
So when you do your tasting, you're going to pull your blindfold down, and I'm going to show you guys, before she tastes these drinks, what these bottles are and what the flavours are.
And also, after I've tried them, you're going to try a little bit.
What? I've got to try them as well. I thought it's your soda challenge.
Our soda challenge.
Oh, no.
But you're not exactly doing a challenge.
Oh, okay. Okay, I'll have a taste. So, okay, there's 12 bottles and you're going to have to try and guess the flavours, or taste and guess the flavours, yeah?
Yeah.
Shall we start?
Yeah.
Put your blindfold down. Let's go here. Okay, guys, this is the first bottle. Right, Tiana. There you go. Yeah, let's move this out of the way. Right. Taste time. What do you think? Oh, you like it? She's having some more.
It's okay.
What can you taste?
I'm not sure, but
You've got to give it a go. Don't forget you got another 11 bottles to drink to taste.
is it like, is one of the flavours like some sort of maybe chicken or something?
Nah. Have a look. It's cucumber.
Cucumber?
Have a look.
Yeah. I did not taste that. So Dad, do you want to try and
Quick
taste
taste.
it?
Okay. I could not taste cucumber.
I told
I know
you.
what though, mind you, after you let it settle on the tongue, yeah, a little bit. Yeah, I can. Anyway, the 0 point. So now, let's move it on. Blindfold down, 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 down. Okay. Yes. Here we go, guys. See that? Yes.
So far, they're actually not.
There you go.
Where? This one?
That's right. What do you think? What flavours? Can you taste any flavours? Wow!
This one's really, really nice.
Well, come on then, flavour, what do you think?
Is it?
It's
It's fruity, I know that. But
fruity, let's have a look then.
Flavour.
Let me have a look on the bottle then, because I can see.
I've not guessed the flavour.
I know, but I'm going to see if that
Okay.
fruit is on there, because if it is. Come on then, flavour.
Where is it?
Well, you don't need to know no more drinks because you've tasted it. Today.
Is it? It's hard, you know. Is there like a berry, type of a berry in there?
Well, blindfold up. That's what you tasted, and it's blue, raspberry, and oranges in there, and it's toxic slime.
What is it? Blue.
Blue, raspberry, and orange.
I guessed the berry.
I'll let you have 1 point.
Yay!
Let me have a taste.
Yes, I was gonna say that is nice. Oh, it's Dad!
Blindfold down.
Number 3.
And you've just got that 1 point for the berry. Okay.
Yep.
There you go, guys. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Right in front.
This one?
Yep. Taste and tell the flavour. What's up with your lips? Oh.
Well, I'll try and guess it anyway.
You didn't like it though?
Is it? Ugh, tastes like blended lasagna.
Lasagna? Blindfold up. Bacon.
I like bacon, but
I do, but I'm going to taste it and I just don't think it's going to be like the bacon I like. That is just raw.
Maybe it is actually.
No, Trunch, I like it. Blindfold down. Oh, my breath. I can smell it stinks. Right. There you go. Feel.
This one?
There you go, yeah. Let me just show everyone at home. There you go, guys. So what do you think then?
Some sort of
Some sort of what? Some sort of what?
chicken.
No, blindfold up. You have just tasted sweet corn.
Yum.
Ho, 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 green giant. Let me have a go.
That was bad.
That is messy. Right, blindfold down. Boom.
Oh, these are horrible, some of them. That blue
Okay.
one was really, really nice.
Hold on, let me just show everybody first.
I feel bad.
There you go, guys. Okay, Tiana. Go for it.
Well,
Yep. Come on then, talk to me, talk to me, talk to me. What can you taste?
I can taste Coke.
Coke. Right, well definitely not Coke, but it's kind of freaky because this is sort of pumpkin pie soda. That is weird.
It tastes like Coke.
Let me have a
try
go
it.
then.
It tastes like Coke.
No, that does not taste like Coke. That tastes like poop. Well, I've never tasted poop, but yeah, I think that's what it would taste like. Right, moving on. Blindfold down. Let's get. Ooh, this one's a nice flavour. Isn't it, guys? What do you think to that flavour? I think that'll taste yummy. Here you go, Tiana. Yeah.
Wow, this is nice.
Ooh.
Let's have one more try.
Quick then, quick then.
I'll guess.
Right, let's have it then. You've got 5 seconds. 5, 4,
No.
3, 2, 1.
That's
Guess.
some sort of like fruit.
Yes, kiwi and pineapple, and it's
Yay!
look at it, bug barf. Let me tell you,
It's nice.
you've got a point. So you like bug barf then? You disgusted, you are, Tiana. Do you know what?
You like the You like bug barf as well.
I think we both like bug barf.
It sounds weird when you say it that way, doesn't it?
Yeah, I know. Blindfold down.
Down.
Okay. There you go, guys.
So I got that one right.
You've got a point. You've got 2 points. This is what Tiana's
I thought I
tasting
had
next.
3 points.
No.
Oh, right.
Oh, this
Okay.
looks tasty, doesn't it? There you go.
This one?
Yeah, that's the one. And yeah, we've got 10 seconds to taste it, tell us the flavour. 10.
Now, is this one lasagna or some sort of chicken?
Lasagna? Blindfold
I don't
up.
know.
That's orange or lemon. Right there. Orange or lemon. And it's dog drool. So you like dog drool? Oh, you're disgusting, girl.
Now, you try it. It's not bad, really. It's like a pinkish kind of thing. How do you do that?
Not bad. So you didn't get a point for that. Moving on. Blindfold down.
How many left? How many's left? 4?
You got 5. Right. There you go, guys. This one's what she's tasting next. And you can see the flavour just there. Right. Okay, I'm just tipping a bit out because it's really full. There you go, Tiana. Bam.
This one?
10 seconds. Taste.
Oh, I can definitely taste some. Oh,
Talk to me. 5. Fruit. Yes.
Taste some fruit.
Yes. Blindfold up. It's fungal fruit, and the fruit is passion fruit, lime.
It's
And that's, is it?
You try it.
Okay.
Like?
That is the best one so far.
I like the blue one and the pink
That's
one.
good, that is good. Right, blindfold down. Here you go, guys. And I just love this one. Ooh, tick, tick. Right, okay. Taste time.
This one?
Here you go. Yummy. Is it yummy?
That's spicy. Pepper in there.
Well, no, I might give you a point, but it's buffalo wing soda. So chicken, isn't it? So
Spicy.
very spicy. There you go. That's what it is.
Try it.
I'm going to. I don't know if I did. Okay.
Oh, that's spicy, that is.
Oh, tingle up my nose. Okay, you got another point. That's 3 points. Blindfold down. There we go, guys.
Yeah, I don't know why I'm crazy on this video, but
Right, see the flavour? Taste time.
this one?
Yes.
Wow.
You like that one? You like all this gross stuff, don't you? Okay, that's gonna put that in the fizz out then. What do you think then? 5, 4, 3.
Is there fruit maybe?
Yes. Strawberry and blue raspberry.
Wow, what colour red
And
is
it's
that?
Monster Mucus. Gross.
What in the world is that?
Oh, that is disgusting. It tastes like
No.
medicine.
I love medicine.
That's what that mucus is, isn't it? It's the medicine. Right, blindfold down.
I didn't know fruit was meant to be medicine.
Oh no, it's freaky. There you go, guys. Okay. Bam. Taste.
This one?
And you've got one more after that. Yum, yum, yum.
I can taste a little bit of. It tastes like
What?
Coke again. Coca-Cola.
Not on that one. I'm not giving you a point for that because that's peanut butter and jelly.
What?
Random. So we'll go.
It's nice though, anyway. Kind of. In a way.
That's not too bad.
One more left.
Last one. There you go, guys. I like the name of this one. And I like this dude on the front. Look at his fangs. There you go.
Vampire.
Vampire juice. Right. Come on. This is it.
Now, I'm
must got to-
sure
Yeah.
I can taste Coke again.
Right. Blindfold up. It's the same colour up with the blindfold and you can see. Yes, but it's fruit mix. It's fruity mix. It's called swamp juice. Look at that dude on the front. Look at him. Wow. There you go. So you got 3 points. 3 out of what? 12. So come on, you're not going to name all them flavours, are you? Because there's some really freaky ones.
Blue.
Good, get your blue one.
What about pink as well?
And your pink. So these are your favourites. Sionna's favourites are. Let's have a look. Toxic slime and fungal fruit. Yeah? Okay. So let me get some bacon and let's go cheers with the bacon and the toxic slime.
Wow.
And I hope you enjoyed the video.
Bye. See you in my next video. Bye. Ice cream, anybody? Ice cream.